Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Home Depot credit card for mobile payments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for mobile payments with your Home Depot credit card, begin by opening the Home Depot app on your smartphone. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the welcome screen, locate and tap on the Sign In option. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you do not have an account, tap on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. After logging in, navigate to the Wallet section within the app. In the Wallet section, look for the option to add a new card. Select Add Home Depot Credit Card from the available options. Enter your Home Depot credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to input all details accurately to avoid any errors. Once the information is entered, tap on Save or Add Card to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a one-time code sent to your registered phone number or email. Check your messages for the verification code and enter it when prompted. After successful verification, your Home Depot credit card will be linked to the app. Now, you can easily use your Home Depot credit card for mobile payments. To start using mobile payments, simply go to the checkout section in the app. Select the items you wish to purchase and proceed to checkout. Choose your Home Depot credit card as your payment method. Confirm your order and complete the payment process using the app. Your Home Depot credit card is now registered for mobile payments, making your shopping experience more convenient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.